Hey tech crew, GadInsider here, and Apple just dropped iOS 26 at WWDC 2025. Say goodbye to scam calls and spam texts with game-changing features that make your iPhone smarter and safer. Let's dive into why this update is a must-have. Ever dodge a robocall or wade through a flooded messages app? iOS 26 got your back with powerful spam protection and a cleaner chat experience. Curious? Stick around to see how it works. Apple unveiled iOS 26 on June 9, 2025 at WWDC, and it's all about keeping your iPhone secure and user-friendly. The star of the show? Call screening. This feature silently answers unknown calls with a robotic voice asking, "Who is this and why are you calling?" The response pops up live on your lock screen so you can decide to pick up, ignore, or reply with a text, all without lifting a finger. Say adios to robocalls and telemarketers. Next up, the Messages app got a major glow up. It now sorts text into 4 folders: Messages, Unknown Senders, Spam, and Recently Deleted. Think email inbox vibes. Texts from your contacts stay in the main tab, while shady numbers get shuffled to spam or unknown senders. This keeps your chats clean and safe, especially for older users or anyone targeted by scams. Oh, and voicemails? You can finally report them as spam. Apple's using these reports to train its detection tools, so expect even smarter spam blocking down the line. One bummer, end-to-end encryption for RCS messages between iOS and Android didn't make the cut, but Apple says it's coming in a future update. Why is iOS 26 a big deal? It's not just about dodging scams, it's about peace of mind. Whether you're tired of robocalls or want a tidier messages app, this update makes your iPhone work harder for you. Especially clutch for vulnerable users, making iPhone 26 a win for everyone. Ready to upgrade to iOS 26? Tell us in the comments which feature you're stoked about. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech updates.